Hi, I'm John with Fan Diego, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the 60-inch Royal Oak by Hunter. Now, what first is impressive to me is that you've got a 60-inch fan that moves about 6,800 CFMs. That's around the $200 price point. That's pretty impressive, and not only that, but the fan comes with the handheld remote control. It's not the biggest motor, might not be the best electronics in terms of giving you 6 speeds or even 4 speeds. The basic 3-speed remote control. It'll dim your light for you if you choose to put a light on it. It doesn't come with the light, but you get a good solid value in terms of air movement with good functionality with the remote control for a nice price.